very important male. And I was like, wait, what? Bottom line, the man failed me, right? Angling it, triangle, dangle it, okay?
I ain't gotta preach. I just do what comes natural. 5-star, everything I see. Live large, no apology. Take charge, no one can compete. I just do what comes natural.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm your girl Shanice, a Jamaican living here in Saskatoon, Canada. If this is your first time coming to my channel, don't forget to click that subscription button and be sure to click on the bell as well and leave a thumbs up on the video. And if you are a returning subscriber, you'll know the vibe over here. I wanted to open up a new vlog. I actually haven't been vlogging all week. The right moment just never happened. But I just got a very important mail, and I've been waiting for this mail so long. It is from SGI. It's like the place where you get all your everything for car done. Your licensing, your insurance, your car, well, basically like your vehicle insurance place, right? So you get your insurance done, your license down there, things like that, right? So I've been actually waiting on this for a long time. I've been checking my mailbox every day, waiting on this because I remember that it is September, and that means that I finally get to have my class 5 driver's license. Let me just give you guys a little bit of information, and people who are always asking about the driver's license transition, then this is definitely for you. Even though I have done a video talking about how I made that transition from my Jamaican license to my Canadian license. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. I'll put the thumbnail here and I'll put the link in the description, but I'm still gonna just run through why I'm so excited about this. When I came with my Jamaican license, and so that would mean that I had my Jamaican license. I also had my learners from Toronto, but I got the learners from Toronto first, and then I went to Jamaica and I got my Jamaican license. So when I came, I was in a kind of a unique situation then. I queried whether I needed to, if I could go ahead and get the Canadian license for Saskatchewan without doing any other process other than going to take the driving test. So I was told, yeah, I can get it done and everything. When I actually went for my driver's license, the gentleman I got was telling me that that's not the case. I still have to do 6 hours of in-class training and 6 hours of driving instruction. Then I said to him, hey, that's not what I was told. I actually queried it, and they say I don't need to do that because I went to Jamaica and got an actual license. Anyways, I left and the man called me back and said he did some research and I should come back. However, he had a whole plan for me. He had planned to fail me. So when I went back and I started, he's like, oh, you don't have to go through the little routine, let's go. So when I started, as I drove off the car, the man said to me, oh, so this is to see if you need that 6 hours in class and 6 hours driving instruction. And I was like, wait, what? So when I started to drive, he started to tell me what to do. He started to make the environment very uncomfortable for me. But so he started to do all of that. So I started to started to panic and everything. So yeah, bottom line, the man failed me, right? So he failed me and put that I need to do 6 hours of 6 hours online or in class training and 6 hours of driving instruction. So I said, okay, fine. I was worked up about it, but I did it. However, once you're given that, you have to go through the licensing system. That means you won't get a class 5 license. That is your full license that exempts you from all the little hiccups. You would have been like a proper driver then, right? So he put me to do that, I would have to go through the different phases of the licensing system. So that means I had to pay to get the class done, and at the time they were like $600 for $600, $500, and I was lucky to find one for $400 and something for the 6 hours in class and 6 hours driving instruction, because like $70 something per hour. So big up to my driving instructor, A and D driving school here in Saskatoon. He is chef kiss, okay? Tell him I sent you, okay? He's really good. But anyways, so because of that, no, I did what was told, and I went a second time to do the driving test on the road. So that because of that, no, even though I passed the second time, I had to get what is called a novice 1. No, it's basically the first level to licensing, to driver's license here. So for novice 1, for each province is different, by the way, I'm telling you here for Saskatchewan. So I got novice 1. It means that I have to drive for 6 months. I can't get any tickets. I can't be in an accident. I can't do anything wrong on the road. I have to tread on the straight and narrow. So I have to drive for 6 months without any problem. Once I do that, they will automatically send me novice 2 after that 6 months for another 6 months. So after I've driven for that 6 months, no problem, I got a novice 2 in my mail, and the same conditions apply. It's just that, yeah, the same I can't supervise anybody to drive. I can't have anybody in the car other than my family member for novice 1. For novice 2, I think I can only have like 1 extra person. Do not quote me on this, go do your research, I think, yeah. So I got novice 2. So my 6 months is officially up for my novice 2. No ticket, no accident, no problem. Girl is a proper driver. Yeah, right this out. No problem, the police will stop me, no nothing, okay? I've been angling it, triangle, dangle it, okay? Okay. So because of that, once that 1 year period, so 6 months for novice 1, 6 months for novice 2, I automatically get my class 5, okay? And yeah, I'm excited. Big up to the people that will go and get them class 5 right away. Big up to Uno. Yeah, but a lot of people don't. People always drive for like 20 years, come here, and they actually do not get the license on the first try. I've met people who went 5 times, 3 times, 4 times. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, I was not driving in Jamaica. So this is a big deal for me. I was not driving in Jamaica. I got my license, if you know, you know, but I was not driving in Jamaica. I came to Canada, purchased a car 2 months after landing here, and read their books with the road code to refresh my memory, because and I drove. Yeah, literally, that's it. I just went, purchased a car, and drove. Yep, that's it, I swear. Like, I didn't want to say, but yeah. So it's a big deal for me to see how me I handle the road in the snow and everything. So I'm really proud of myself. And yes, okay, girl. Oh my God, show you this though. How I can show you this? Girl got her class 5 driver's license. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the class 5. Wait, see it. So usually in the corner it would say novice 1 or novice 2 or whatever, right? Nothing is on it because girl gonna lead. Yeah. Right this so I'm gonna see if I can show you guys the different part. Okay, so for the novice 2, I have the novice 1 somewhere, I don't know. So it says that right at the floor, see, novice 2, but for the class 5, nothing is there, right? So clap me. Wanna clap me now to comment then? Yeah, right this so. But anyways guys, I wanted to share that information and give you guys a little idea of how the whole driving license process goes here. So talk to them. This was not the way I was supposed to be spending my weekend. I was supposed to be outside, having a couple of drinks, popping my ish, but Mother Nature said, girl, please. So I stayed my ass home and cooked me some curried chicken back and neck, you know, real Jamaican style. Yeah, the last time I went grocery shopping, I got these, as I show you guys, and I wanted to just whip up some. I wasn't really sure if I needed 2 packs, but after opening one of them, I realized that would have been enough because, as I said before, my husband is not a fan of chicken back. I'm just seeing if it really makes sense, and I'm saying, yeah, it really makes sense. Just enough, I believe. So, you know, with chicken back, we have to go in and get down in that and clean it up. And usually, like, the chicken here not so really dirty or not have all the things to clean up. But this chicken back was giving Jamaican chicken back because I had to dig down in it, clean it up, cut off all of that fat. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like fat on my meat. Clean up that chicken neck as well, any little fat or whatever I want to cut off it. Then of course I'm going to use my vinegar to get the rawness off this, and some lemon as well. And you know, chicken back, as a matter of fact, the meat here just extra raw. So usually I leave my meat to soak in my vinegar and lemon water for maybe 10 minutes. These are all the seasons I'll be using. Curry meat season, the marinated jerk is coming like the Grace meat season, so I use it. My MSG jerk season, Maggi, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, black pepper, and I use the marinated jerk and the jerk season, like a little bit of it in almost everything, just to give me that authentic Jamaican taste, because y'all know the season here do not taste the same. I find that when I add a little pinch of both of these plus the Scotch bonnet, pickled pepper, it gives me that authentic Jamaican taste in my food. I already know, that's what worked for me. You don't have to listen to what me say. You can do your own thing. Remember, everybody cook different. Yeah. And then of course I'm adding a little oil on that to rub the seasoning properly, since I didn't do this overnight. If you know, you know. When you put a little seasoning, a little oil, and that makes it soaking at this meat. You understand? So of course I'm burning my ginger, pepper, and my garlic before I add local curry. You know, if I burn the curry and something them say I saw it for go, from me I grow, and that's what I do. Now here, I find out when you come here, if you find different little methods will work for you. I usually make sure that I brown my meat them, not too deep, but brown it look a bit, because sometimes these two don't really cook the meat thoroughly if you're not careful. Some life with us brown them look a bit. Yeah, some meat wheat. And I'm cutting up my season, not too much season because I look a bit of chicken back. Everything is well diced and ready to go in the pot. Of course, I'm pairing this curry chicken back with some dumpling, sweet potato, and Irish potato. I ain't eating no Irish potato, but my husband and my son will be. I wanted some banana, but I never had any. I reckon them I have. Right here, that's my curried chicken back. Well seasoned, smell nice, taste good, gravy thick, everything just I say, yeah. Alright, a wife material this. Anyway, it's giving wife. It's giving she can cook. Talk truth, wanna say. But it good or not? This was so good. I was so pleasing. I felt so I felt like we get a little taste of Jamaica, and it's exactly what I needed because, as I said, Mother Nature was kicking my ass. Plus, it was a rainy, cozy weekend. That's my plate. My 2 little dumpling. I got more than that. Piece of sweet potato and some curry chicken back. Watch there. So good. Tell me what you think, guys. My angle it, my triangle it, my dangle it. I want to say. See you guys in the next one. Remember to subscribe and stay positive as always. Bye bye.
Today's positive vibe quote: 24 hours, 1,440 minutes, 86,400 seconds. You have time.
I just do what comes natural.